friends. Welcome to my channel, Smash Thought. In this video, I am going to show you how to configure webmail email in your Outlook with POP setting. Let's start it. Go to Start menu and type Outlook. Enter to open it. This is the Outlook interface. When you open it first time, it will look like this. Click on Next, again Next. Select Manual Setup or Additional Server Type. Next. Go to POP or IMAP. Next. This is the interface. You have to put all the detail over here. First, your name bar. Type your name here. Email address bar. Type your email address here. Account type bar. If you are configuring email with POP setting, select POP3 or otherwise you can change it to IMAP. Put the incoming and outgoing mail server. The question is, how to know what are the incoming and outgoing server? Don't worry, it is easy to find it. Let me give you a demo. Open Chrome browser. Search, what is my DNS? And open the search link. Type your email domain in the search bar. Select MX. It will show your server detail. Let me put one more email just for your reference. You can see. And if you want to know about the incoming and outgoing server, you can watch my one more video. A complete detail posted in this video. Link is in the description. Now, again you have to paste your email address in the username bar, not only name. A complete email you have to paste, and paste password. Let me complete all these bar, then we'll go to the next page. For the privacy policy, all the detail blur. Now go to More Setting. Select Tab Outgoing Server. Tick over here. Go to Advanced tab. Tick to the server requires an encrypted port is 995 and the SMTP port is 465. Select SSL and click OK. Click Next. Email has been configured. If you have any query related to this video, just ask me in the comments section bar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.